Have you ever wondered what it's like when science fiction becomes battlefield reality? Today, we'll explore how the Gaza War is being transformed by AI and cutting-edge weapons. Imagine tanks that guard themselves and drones that think, it's not a movie, it's modern warfare. Join us as we delve into how these advanced technologies are changing the way battles are fought. The rise of AI in warfare. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like a smart computer program that can think, learn, and make decisions almost like a human. In modern wars, such as those happening in Gaza, AI is playing a big role. The Israeli military uses AI to help them be more accurate when they target places during a battle. This means they can hit exactly what they want to hit, which helps them avoid hitting places they don't mean to. However, even though AI can suggest where to shoot, it's always a person, not the computer, who makes the final decision to go ahead. AI helps soldiers make these decisions quickly and with more information. For example, AI can look at lots of data from drones flying over an area or satellites in space and can understand it faster than a person could. This helps the military know more about where their enemies are and what they are doing. Because of AI, the Israeli military can do things like watch many places at once or quickly change their plans based on new information. Even with all this technology, the people in charge try to make sure they follow rules set by the world on how wars should be fought. They use AI to help them be sure they are hitting only the places they are supposed to. The goal is to fight the war effectively while trying to protect people who aren't involved in the fighting as much as possible. This use of AI in warfare shows how technology is changing battles today, making them different from how wars were fought in the past. Advanced weapons. Overview. In the world of modern warfare, advanced weapons like the Elbirk tank, Spark drone, and Iron Sting are game changers. The Elbirk tank is really special because it has a 360-degree protective shield. This means it can protect itself from attacks coming from any direction. It uses something called the Trophy Active Protection System, which can actually shoot down enemy missiles before they hit the tank. This makes it super tough and keeps the soldiers inside safer. Next, let's talk about the Spark drone. This drone is like a secret spy in the sky. It flies over enemy areas without being seen, gathering important information about what the enemies are doing. This helps the army know more about the dangers they might face and plan their actions better. The Spark drone can stay in the air for a long time and see things from far away, which is very helpful for making smart decisions in battles. Lastly, there's the Iron Sting, which is a type of mortar shell. This isn't just any shell. It's very smart because it uses GPS and lasers to find exactly where it needs to go. The Iron Sting can be fired from far away and hit targets accurately, which means it can be used in a lot of different fighting situations. It's especially good at breaking through tough barriers like dual-layered concrete, making it a powerful tool in the military's arsenal. These advanced weapons are all about making sure that the army can do its job better, with less risk to the soldiers and fewer chances of hurting people who aren't involved in the fighting. As technology gets better, these weapons keep getting smarter, making modern warfare more about using your brain and less about using brute force. Ethical and legal considerations. When we use artificial intelligence, or AI, in warfare, it brings up big questions about what's right and wrong. AI can do things like deciding where to attack, but this worries many people around the world. They wonder, if something goes wrong, who is responsible? This is about accountability, which means figuring out who should be blamed if the AI makes a mistake and accidentally hurts someone who wasn't supposed to be involved. There are also ethical concerns, which means people are worried about whether it's morally okay to let machines make decisions about fighting wars, especially when these decisions could harm humans. Different big organizations like the United Nations, UN, and the Red Cross are also thinking about these issues. The UN, which tries to keep peace and safety around the world, discusses rules to make sure countries use AI safely in wars. They want to make sure that AI is used in a way that respects everyone's rights and follows international laws. The Red Cross, known for helping people in emergencies, talks about the importance of keeping humans in charge of making the big decisions in wars. They say that we should be careful not to rely too much on machines, especially when it comes to decisions that could hurt people. These organizations stress that all countries need to talk about these problems and work together to set rules that everyone follows. They believe it's really important to think about how using AI in wars affects everyone, not just the soldiers, but also the ordinary people who might be in harm's way. This way, we can use technology to help us, but also make sure we're doing it in a fair and responsible way. Real impact and case studies. Artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced weapons have had a big impact on recent conflicts, changing how battles are fought. For example, the Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, used AI to target over 12,000 sites in just one day. This shows how powerful and effective AI can be in helping to make quick decisions about where to strike. But using such technology also raises big concerns, especially when it comes to the safety of people who are not involved in the fighting, known as civilians. One serious incident that happened was the attack on the Al-Maghazi refugee camp. In this attack, many civilians were hurt. The IDF later admitted that they used the wrong type of weapons, which caused more damage than intended. This situation led to a lot of discussions and debates around the world. People questioned whether it was right to use such powerful weapons and AI in areas where many civilians live. They worried that even though the weapons are accurate, mistakes can still happen that can hurt or even kill people who should have been safe. These examples help us see both the strengths and the risks of using high-tech tools in war. While they can help an army hit targets very accurately and quickly, they also show that it's very important to be careful and make sure that these tools don't accidentally harm civilians. Discussions about these issues are crucial because they help everyone understand the responsibilities that come with using such advanced technology in warfare. It's about finding the balance between using new technologies to protect soldiers and making sure civilians are safe. As we've seen today, the use of AI and advanced weapons in warfare is transforming the battlefield in ways we've never seen before. It brings us to a crucial question. What kind of future do we want to create with these powerful technologies? Should we continue to develop and use them in wars, or should we focus more on the risks they pose, especially to civilians? Let's keep this conversation going in the comments below. Share your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative. And if you want to stay updated with more discussions like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you.